Hello, Ajio is an online store. If you're a first user of Ajio, you can get 200 by clicking on the link as shown in the picture. Click on the link. I'll also provide the link in the description box. You can go click on that, and next you'll see this interface. You can enter your phone number or mail and sign in by entering all your details as shown in the picture. Then click on Start Shopping. Now this is the home screen that appears. You can click on link and check your Ajio wallet. Click on Ajio wallet. You will see here 200 being credited to your wallet plus 68 as promotion, total coming up to 268 points, and these points expire. Do place your first order using these points, and if you want app, you can get the app as shown in the picture. After you get the app, this is how the home screen appears. You have got deals of the hour. You can check out. You have got big discounts in all categories. You have got fashion, trendy clothes and accessories. You also can go through that. Now you can pick your favorites and add to bag as shown in the picture to place your first order. Next you can click on view bag. Click on apply coupon. From the drop down list you can apply any of the coupon that is with bigger discounts. Here I have applied bold. Have got 970 rupees off here. You can click on proceed to payment. All kinds of payment modes are available, including cash on delivery. You can check out. Before you check out, you go to Ajio wallet and redeem the points over there as shown in the picture to get more discount on your cart value. That's how you can make payment and place your first order. Recently we have made some purchases on Ajio. Good quality at low prices with bigger discounts. You can check out. I'll provide the links in the description. Now you keep watching.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
Thanks for watching. Do encourage me with a subscribe and a like. And don't forget to comment and share with your friends and family. Have a good day. Keep smiling.